Hey everyone, it's Rodney Leandro here, and today I'm going to be summarizing a project that I and other of my business partners are working on today. Um, so it's either myself or someone in the team that sent you this video, and it's going to show you a different way that you can make money without interfering with what you're doing full time. Now, today's norm is that people are working very hard at their jobs. They spend a lot of time, put a lot of effort into their jobs, but they're not getting the money that they should be getting for the effort that they're putting in at their jobs. And when we look at in relation to their bills and to their life expenses, is quite close to the income that they're making through their jobs. And they're living in the red zone, meaning that, you know, income is more or less the same as expenses. And it's because of, jobs not paying us enough. And the majority of people, they are struggling financially. They will not be able to live 3 months without their job. And the tax man is a pain for people that have a job, because 30 to 40% of one's income goes to the tax man and the government. That's the equivalent. If you add up all the money that gets taxed on a yearly basis, it's the equivalent of you working for the government for free for 3 to 4 months. Just go and have a look at your paycheck. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. So a common trait that wealthy and successful people have is the fact that they have more than one income stream. Today, it's clearly evident that the people that have more success, more wealth, and that get ahead in life are those who have more than one income stream. So what if you could keep your job and develop 1 to 2 additional income streams? What if these new income streams could match or surpass what you're currently making at work with less effort, giving you more time, freedom, and additional income? What if you could introduce your friends and family if they needed to make extra income and they needed more time, freedom, and financial freedom? What I'm going to show you is 2 methods of making income that can be carried out by anyone who just seeks more time, freedom, and additional income. So take notes. I'm quickly going to just talk about the cash flow quadrant, and it was created by Rich Dad Robert Kiyosaki, who is the author of the best-selling financial education book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and he teaches you the different values, attitudes, and mindsets that rich people have, and that what they pass down to their children compared to what the middle class and the poor pass down to their children, and the mindsets that they have. And there's 4 ways that one can make money: is being an employee, a self-employed, a business owner, and an investor. On the left side, people are exchanging time for money and putting in effort. On the right side, people have either leverage, they're not just getting paid on their efforts, other people's efforts as well, or they have money working hard for them, giving people on the right side more time, freedom, and more financial freedom. So it's evident that one sees this should want to be on the right side, but it's crazy that today only 5% of the population are business owners and investors, but they're actually making 95% of the world's wealth. But yeah, you will see how you can be a business owner and an investor by the time that I finished these slides. So we're looking at the industry of Forex, foreign exchange, an industry that revenues 6.6 trillion a day. The markets are open 5 days a week. I'm also looking at cryptocurrencies as well. That's like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Everybody saw how big Bitcoin has become, and it's only been around since around 2012, 2013. So there's definitely a lot of income to be made within these industries. Now, Forex is very simple. The market only moves in 2 ways. It's either going to go up or down. And what you want to do is you want to buy low and you want to sell high. So foreign exchange, Forex, is buying and selling currencies at the right time in order to make a profit. You can make money when you buy, you can make money when you sell. You just need to know how to identify the patterns and trends that allows you to forecast the market's direction, so you can get into a profitable buy opportunity or a profitable sell opportunity. Now, what you can actually do on Forex is you can alter the risk, and you can trade with less money on each trade or with more money on each trade. So if you're doing a micro trade, you're only going to be, putting down 10 pence per pip. If you're doing a mini trade, it's going to be £1 per pip. And if you do a standard, it's going to be £10 per pip. And as you can see, let's say it's the mini, £1, and you catch 70 pips, you've just made £70. So that's just kind of a quick summary of how the market moves. It moves in pips and what type of lot sizes you can use. Now, we are a Forex education company, and I Am Master Academy has been around since 2013. So it's been around for 7 years now. And in business, they say that, a lot of businesses don't last 5 years. So for you to last 5 years and be a global company, you have to be doing something right. This company allows you to learn from professional Forex traders. It's the equivalent of learning how to sing from Beyonce or how to play football from Ronaldo. You're learning from the pros, and if you keep doing what the pros are doing, you will have the results that the pros are having. It's literally that simple. There is videos that you can watch that will show you the basics to advanced to intermediate understandings of how Forex works, and how you can have a strategy that fits with your life schedule. And there's also something called Go Live, where you can actually watch how the professional Forex traders mark up their charts on a daily basis, and you can interact with them and ask them, why do they mark up their charts in a certain way, what they're looking for, and any other questions that you want to know about the strategies that they use. But they're using proven strategies, and these are 6 to 7 figure earners that you're actually learning from and that you're interacting with on Go Live. And then we have the academy as well, that has the basic videos, the advanced videos, the intermediate videos, so you can have a better understanding of how Forex works in terminologies like pips, leverage, lot size, buy limit, sell stop, stop loss, and so on. Then we have the Hello Center, which allows you to have access to the other products that we also have, which comes in the form of signals. And signals is as simple as this. You are copy and pasting the analysis of a professional Forex trader. The best thing about these signals is on the Go Lives, you can actually understand how they get to make a signal, and the science behind their strategy. But in a nutshell, the signals allow you to copy and paste. So if Gold Cup says buy gold at this point, sell gold at that point, all you need to do is copy the coordinate into an app called MetaTrader 4. That's what we use for trading. Harmonics is also another signal provider, and it's based on algorithms. You can copy and paste this as well, and you can see results from copy and pasting. So yeah, you can learn on the go. These services, these signal services, come in the form of apps, so you can just go on the actual websites. Is something that's quite flexible, and you can do it within your own time. Now, what people normally ask is, how do they start when they've seen the information that one has just shown within this video? And it is quite simple. Normally, companies charge 2 to 3K to teach you how to trade, and it's only a weekend course, and you don't get ongoing support. With I Am, you get ongoing support, and it's not just going to be for the weekend, and it's not 1 to 2K. The Elite Pack, which gives you everything that I've just mentioned, all the signals, all the mentorship, access to the basic videos, the Go Live, and the Gold Cup, the Harmonic Scanner, and other signals. In pounds, it's about £270, depending on the exchange rate. And on a monthly basis after month one is £225. And it isn't a contract. So there's no 12 months, it's not a contract. It's a rolling contract. So you continue it as many months as you would like to. Is a very effective price compared to what other Forex companies are offering, and you get the ongoing support that you need, and you're doing it within a team. There's mentors, there's a support system. You don't have to go at it alone. Now, we refer people to things every single day, and some companies do give us little rewards and incentives to refer out their companies to our friends and family. For instance, Uber, Amazon, and Booking.com, or even Nando's, for instance. You go and refer it to your people. They might give you a little reward or incentive, but are they really giving you a big financial reward for this? Absolutely not. You can actually receive a very good financial reward from you referring people to come and learn how to trade. And I'll touch upon that shortly. What you can also do is, if you've paid for month one and you don't want to pay the monthly subscription, but you still want to learn and you want to learn for free, all you need to do is refer two people. Your mentor will look after your two people, and your mentor will show your two people the plan, the overview, and you will get the reward of not having to pay your subscription again. That's the reward that you get. There's actually a way that you can become an independent business owner as well. And why this is good is because a lot of people today, they've learned how to trade, but because they're living in that red zone that I was talking about in the beginning, their bills are equal to what they make income-wise. So they cannot afford to now invest £500 to £600 into their trading account and start trading. They don't have that money lying around. And if there was to invest that £500 to £600, it would be money that would have went to bills. But if they have any losses, they're going to be more stressed. They're going to be more fearful to trade, and they're not going to get the results that one would have got if they developed another income stream that was just for investing in trading and no emotions was attached to that money. But yes, you can become an independent business owner with this company, start making income to then put back into your trading account if your job doesn't give you the biggest amount of income compared to what your living expenses and bills are. So the first position is that of a Platinum 150, and you receive £150 each month. Residual income. Residual income is you doing something once, they're getting paid month after month, year after year. So you're referring 3 people to learn how to trade. Once you've done that, you will continue to get paid from those 3 referrals month after month, year after year. That's Platinum 150. Platinum 600 requires 12 people to have been referred, but it's not just from yourself. Those 3 people that you referred, if they refer 3 people each, then you will be a Platinum 600. So 369, including the 3 that you referred initially that referred their own 3, that's now 12 people. You become a Platinum 600. Then Platinum 1000 is the same thing. So the 12 people that were referred by the 3 people that you referred, well, the 9 people, they will also go and refer people so they can get their 2 for free, or so they can make some income to invest into their trading accounts. And that's how you become a Platinum 1000. So it's about building a network, and it's not just your efforts. Other people's efforts will reward them, and it will reward you as well. The company pays out 150 a month all the way to 500 a month, 500,000 a month, Chairman 500. There is a handful of Chairman 500s within the company, and they're from all different walks of life, different backgrounds, different ages, different religions, different educational levels. There's no barriers to entry within this company, and there's there's no advantage for anyone. It's all equal. It's all down to how much effort you put in, how much time you put in, and how patient you're going to be. Rome wasn't built in a day. So get back to the person who invited you to see this information right away, so you can remember all the information you just saw, and so you can get your questions answered straight away. You know, do what Richard Branson says. If someone offers you an amazing opportunity and you're not sure how you can do it, but you see that it's an amazing opportunity, say yes, and then learn how to do it later. And if you have any questions for myself, you can send me a message on Instagram, mastermindr_. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to be working with you very, very soon. Thank you.